दिवाडेचे फेस्ताकार मॅरियस फेर्नांडीस हांणी पणसाचे फेस्ताचे आयोजन केल्ले। हे फेस्त पणजेच्या गोय फार्मसी महाविद्यालयात आयज 22 जूनाक सांजेचे 3 ते 6 मजगती आयोजित केल्ले। मॅरियस फेर्नांडीस हांच्या टिमीन आयोजित केल्ले हे 14वे फेस्त। ह्या फेस्ताक पणसाचे तशेंच हेर तरेतरेचे खावपाचे जिन्नस तशेंच पारंपारीक आयुधां म्हळ्यार इम्प्लिमेंट्स एंड इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स विक्रेक आशिल्ले। पळोवया ह्या फेस्ताची कांय खिणाचित्रां।
Hello, my name is Marius Fernandez, known as going to Festakar. Today we are at a really beautiful venue called the Goa College of Pharmacy, which is not only accessible, they have a toilet for people in wheelchairs, for women and for men. So we are very happy to be here. Today is the Ponsachem Fest, the jackfruit festival, which is the largest fruit in the world. So there are about 30 stalls here of people from marginalized communities selling lots of jackfruit. They're selling sata, which is part of the jackfruit. They're selling chips, jackfruit chips, and I even seen people selling coffee made out of jackfruit seeds called Jeffy. So all in all, we are out to promote jackfruit. Besides, we have students come here from National Association of the Blind, who are 100% visually blind. They will be singing at our festivals today. We have students from Lok Vishwas in Ponda. They are painters, visually impaired painters, so they will be performing here. So it's a festival of empowering Goans. Today, Glennis Mendonça, a very famous teacher from Carmel College, will be coming to sing Konkani songs. And all in all, it's going to be a great day for our culture, heritage, and the jackfruit.
This is for only one day or?
Yeah. So I basically have got 84 festivals all around Goa. This is a day of awareness. So every month I do one festival to create awareness. So today is the jackfruit. The next month will be about patoyos, and then it will be bondera. So we do one a month, but it's basically about awareness.